do me a favor, guys, and just, yeah, if you don't mind, just sitting still for me.
Know how old he is based on how long he is?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs, and this week's video is going to be epic. We're actually here in Gator Park in the Everglades, and we're gonna take an airboat tour to see some gators and some of the wildlife here. We're actually about 10 minutes away from my house, and believe it or not, I have never done this, and yeah, should be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And with that, are you guys ready? Let's go!
About 25 minutes or less. So if you guys want to wander around out back, there's a observation deck back there. There is an alligator pit. Okay. And then you just hop in the chicken line. It's about 25 minutes. There's your work. And that receipt's good for 7 days. If you go to any other national park, you can show them that you paid that, and we're going to take that out there first. Oh, nice. Awesome. Thank you for going out there.
Okay guys, so when you get to Gator Park, you have 3 options to buy your ticket. The first one is you can do it at the gate, and it's going to cost you about $25 plus tax. The second one, you can do it online through their website, and you're going to save about $5. It's going to cost you $20. And the third one is through Groupon, which is the one I use, and it cost me $18. So that's just another quick tip for you guys to save some money when you come here. The other fee that you're gonna have is a $3 fee, and that's just for the national park entrance. Remember, the Everglades is a national park. Now, the good thing about that fee is that if you keep the receipt and you're planning on coming back to the Everglades National Park or any other national park within the next 7 days, you don't have to pay for that fee again as long as you show this receipt. So again, keep it handy if you're planning to return. Alright, and a few more things to keep in mind is obviously bring a lot of water, because it gets really hot out here. As you can see, I'm sweating and I haven't even been here for 10 minutes. Number 2, obviously this video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form by Gator Park. So do know that there are plenty of other companies that do these airboat tours throughout the Everglades. And third, just so you guys know, the Everglades is about 1.5 million acres wide, so it's huge, and yeah, it should be fun. And just so you guys know, we were told that the boat tour is about a 25 to 30 minute ride, and right after that there's a show that we are entitled to as well. Not sure how long that show is. And also there is a restaurant here in case you guys get hungry or you guys want to drink something. They do have that option here as well. So far so good.
Airboats. Has anybody been on one?
Nope.
Oh, great. It's even better when you guys don't know what's going on. Airboats, they don't have brakes, they don't have reverse, okay? I'm not gonna be able to stop right away, nor will I be able to go backwards. If you see something that I miss, point at it. I'll turn off the motor. We're gonna ride on right by pretty slow. I will let everybody know ahead of time when you do want to put in those earplugs. Take a seat, stay seated. We're gonna be going fast, you guys. Now just remember, keep in mind, once I start going fast, I don't have any brakes. I'm not gonna be able to stop. Therefore, it looks like an alligator in front of the boat. Like I said, if you guys want to stand up, feel free to stand up. Truth be told, when it comes to these alligators, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to give anybody the wrong idea, but truth be told, these wild alligators, this little female, we jumped in the water right now, she's out of here, and she's probably...
While you guys enjoy the ride, here are some fun facts I learned during the tour. Female gators grow up to 9 feet long throughout their life, while male gators keep growing until they die. Gators grow about a foot per year during their first 5 years. After that, they'll grow about an inch per year. And the water level in the Everglades is low. The average depth is between 3 to 5 feet deep.
Okay guys, so we just got off the airboat, I guess.
Airboat ride,
Airboat
yeah.
ride. Here's Angel, he was our tour guide. Awesome guide. And I just want to ask you, first of all, how long have you been doing this for?
About exactly a year and 5 months.
A year and 5 months.
Exactly in this spot.
Gotcha. So what would you say is the best time of the year to come and see gators?
When it comes to seeing alligators, you're going to want to come towards the winter time. Reptiles, they're cold-blooded. Therefore, when we get the chill at nighttime, they're not going to be able to sustain that. Therefore, throughout the day, you're going to see them sunbathing, getting all that energy.
Yeah.
Therefore, that's going to be honestly the best time to come around.
Because just so you guys know, right now we did go on a, what was it, like 20-minute?
About 35 to 40 minute tour, yo.
It's pretty long, it was awesome. But we didn't get to see a lot of gators because again, it's super hot out here, and just like us, they want to take some shelter, they want to rest off the heat, I guess. So they're pretty much under the water.
Yep, and with your fully grown alligator, you can hold their breath up to 2 hours underwater.
2 hours?
There's some days we'll come out here in this August time and we'll be lucky to see one alligator.
That's
and
crazy.
there's times we'll go and we'll see not one alligator.
Now, there was something you said when we were coming back about their teeth and like how they change and all that stuff. What was that?
It was all hollow. Therefore, these alligators, all right, once they get bigger to an age where they start eating turtle shells, anything hard, they lose a tooth, they're hollow. So as soon as he loses it, about 3 weeks, he'll start getting a brand new one back. And they'll go over about 3,000 teeth in their lifetime.
Wow.
And they're already loaded as soon as they hatch out their egg as well.
That's right. If I'm not mistaken, you were saying that they have about 40 teeth
on top,
and 40 on the bottom.
Yep.
So 80 teeth.
A lot of teeth in their mouth.
Wow, man. Well, Angel, thank you so much.
problem.
You were great. It was awesome meeting you.
No
The
problem.
tour was awesome.
I'm glad you
Thank
enjoyed it.
man.
Enjoy the rest of the day. Subscribe, you guys.
Thank you.
Florida's top predator, Wally, is friendly. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? It's a simple purpose, balanced nature. He's 4 years old and I've had him since he hatched. Back up. Please back up. Do you mind? Thank you. Back up a little bit more. We're going to go say hello to everybody. Don't mind. Good. That way. Right there. Just right there, if you don't mind. Right there's good. Thank you. He listens better than my daughters. So he knows we're not here to have a fight. Yeah, just do me a favor, guys, and just, if you don't mind, just sitting still for me. Partner. Yeah, you can sit right there. Just sit. Thank you. I can't lose anybody again. They frown upon that stuff, right?
Okay, so my final thoughts on Gator Park, the airboat. again, it's my first time doing this, and I gotta say the staff was awesome, very knowledgeable, very friendly as well. They even gifted us with some gator teeth. I don't think they're real, but anyway, it was such a nice gesture of them. You guys have to come here, check them out. They're awesome. Again, this video is not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Remember, you haven't seen my best or my worst video yet, so subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And with that, from Gator Park in the Everglades, I'll see you in the next video.